Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to solve the problem of sum of elements. So for that I will just create an array first. I would say okay, let's take the help of random class. I generate some random numbers starting from 1 to 100. So I first mention the numbers, that how many numbers I need, and then 1 to 100, then to array. So it would create a 5 random numbers within the range of 1 to 100. Now what I'll do, I'll create the function private static int name would be sum of array. I would pass the array, then I'll just declare the sum variable. What I'll do, I will not use any loop. Instead of, I'll use the string, and then I'll generate the sum of elements from the array. First I will create a list of array. So arrays.asList, I would pass the array, then I would say string dot flat mapToInt. I'm just converting the value to integer. I'm passing the string here, string, and then I'll say reduce and 0 initial value out, and let's call the integer dot sum. That's it. Let's assign it to the sum, and now just return the sum. Inside main I will just call the array sum of array. So first I will say sum of all elements, sum of array, and let's see. Okay, I'm not seeing any value before summing, so what I'm gonna do, I'll just create just passing inside the asList function the array, just passing the array inside the asList function. Okay, I would not using asList, I would use the toString. So see, 28, 41, 132 and 12, these are our initial value. After summing up all those numbers, the result is 115. So yeah, we can easily solve the sum of elements present inside the array using string, just one line. We don't need to use any loops. So that's all for this video. If you enjoy, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.